Hi students, you are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video, we are going to solve two linear simultaneous equations with the help of substitution method. So our given equations in this case are x plus 2y is equal to 8. We call this our equation number 1. And second is 2x plus 3y is equal to 14, and we call it our equation number 2. To start with, we subtract 2y from both sides of equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 8. We subtract 2y from both sides. And we are left with x is equal to 8 minus 2y. Now we substitute this value of x in equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 14. Now we substitute the value of x. So 2 into 8 minus 2y plus 3y is equal to 14. 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into minus 2y is minus 4y plus 3y is equal to 14. Minus 4y plus 3y will be equal to minus y, and 16 will go on the other side and it will become minus. So minus 16 plus 14. So minus y is equal to minus 2, and if we divide both sides by minus 1, we will be getting y is equal to 2. Now we substitute this value of y in equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 2, so x plus 2 into 2 is equal to 8. X plus 4 is equal to 8. If we subtract 4 from both sides, so we are left with x is equal to 4. So our solution set in this case is equal to x is 4 and y is 2, which is the answer of this question as well. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.